Okay, this is lesson 1.07. Okay, and we are going to start with raising a power to a power. So when I'm raising a power to a power, we have 4 to the third raised to the fifth power. That's the same as 4 to the third times 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 4 to the third. So 4 to the third times itself 5 times. So when I'm multiplying, I'm going to add those exponents. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 would give me 4 to the 15th. Now an easier way to do this is when you are raising something to a power, when it's by itself inside the parentheses, raised to a power outside, you're just going to multiply the exponents. So 3 times 5, and you do get the same thing, 4 to the 15th. Now what about if we have a negative exponent? Well, if I have 3 to the negative 4th, remember that to make this a positive exponent, we have to change it to its reciprocal. Okay, now any whole number is always over 1, so the reciprocal is 1 over 3 to the 4th. Okay, so all we have to do is flip it or move it to the other side of the fraction bar, and we can get this. Now you can continue to simplify it. 3 to the 4th is the same as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or 1 over 81. Now what about if I have something raised to the 0 power? Anything raised to the 0 power is always 1. It does not matter if it's 1,340,057 raised to the 0 power. That would still be 1. Anything raised to the 0 power is always going to be 1. Okay, 1 divided by 2 to the negative 5th. Remember before I said make sure that you always change it to its reciprocal to make that power a positive, or you just move it across that fraction bar. So to make this positive, we change it to its reciprocal, which is 2 to the 5th over 1. We could also simplify that to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Okay, and this last one. What expression is equal to 3 squared times 3 to the 8th? Well, we are multiplying something with the same base, so our rule tells us just to add those exponents. So 3 raised to 2 plus 8, that would be 3 to the 10th. I could simplify that 3 times itself 10 times, either in my head or using the calculator. Okay, good luck. This was 1.07.